Welcome to Foundations of Cloud Computing. In this introductory chapter, From Reading to Doing, we'll dive right into 3 AWS services you can start using today, focusing purely on hands-on practical application rather than theory. Welcome to Week 1, our launch week, where we shift from reading to doing. We'll begin by exploring AWS Lambda, a powerful serverless compute service. The incredible advantage of Lambda is that it requires you to manage 0 servers. You simply write your code, and AWS handles all the underlying provisioning, patching, and scaling, letting you focus entirely on your application logic. Building your first Lambda function is straightforward. First, you'll open the AWS console and navigate to the Lambda service. Next, click Create Function and select the Author from Scratch option. Then, you'll write your handler function using a supported language like Python, Node.js, or Java. After that, you'll set a trigger for your function, which could be an S3 upload, an API call, or even a recurring schedule. Finally, you'll deploy your function and test it with a sample event payload to ensure it's working as expected. When it comes to databases in the cloud, picking the right tool is crucial. For relational data, AWS RDS offers managed MySQL, PostgreSQL, or SQL Server instances, complete with automatic backups and multi-OS failover for high availability. It's ideal for structured data with clear relationships, and you can inspect your instances using AWS RDS Describe DB instances. On the other hand, DynamoDB, a NoSQL database, provides key value and document storage with serverless scaling. It delivers single-digit millisecond latency at any load, making it perfect for flexible schemas and high-throughput applications. To get started, you can list your DynamoDB tables with AWS DynamoDB tables. Every AWS account needs active tools to effectively monitor, secure, and control costs. CloudWatch allows you to set alarms on critical metrics like Lambda errors, CPU utilization, and latency, helping you catch problems proactively. IAM policies are essential for security, enabling you to restrict precisely which services each function can access, limiting the potential blast radius of any issues. For cost management, Cost Explorer helps you break down your spend by service, day, or custom tags, providing clear visibility into your expenditures. Additionally, AWS budgets can send you email alerts before you exceed predefined spending limits, helping you stay within budget. Finally, CloudTrail logs every API call, providing an audit trail that shows exactly who did what in your account, ensuring accountability and compliance. Let's summarize Chapter 1, From Reading to Doing. We covered several high-impact takeaways from this lesson. First, Lambda empowers you to run your code with absolutely 0 server management, simplifying development. Second, remember that RDS is your go-to for relational data, while DynamoDB excels at handling scale and flexible NoSQL requirements. Third, CloudWatch alarms are critical for proactively catching problems before they impact your users. Fourth, IAM policies are vital for security, allowing you to limit the blast radius when things inevitably go wrong. And finally, using Cost Explorer and budgets together will keep your AWS bill predictable and prevent unwelcome surprises. Ready to go deeper? What you've practiced today is just the beginning. The Foundations of Cloud Computing book, available now, provides everything in this series, covering AWS core services, hands-on labs, and real exam-style practice. It's ready for you to work through at your own pace. You can get the book on Amazon today.